Baby, ti winim sama fewo. Ma fisari on sife mano. Ebi ano eobi. Chocho mucho. Yo, what's up? This is your Chocho Mucho Bless. Keep watching Odate GHTV. The best you can find. Bless! Hello guys, so welcome back to your daily entertainment bars right here on Odate GHTV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, straight to today's bars, we have Emilia Brobe reacts to social media trolls about her new music. So Kumawood actress turned musician Emilia Brobe says she is never going to stop singing regardless of the negative publicity her song has got her. However, the actress is close. She is willing to work on her voice for Ghanaians to appreciate her songs more. Speaking to Ruben on Kumasi-based radio station Lab FM, Emilia Brobe said, "In most of the comments, what I read is the voice, so I know that they are criticizing me so that I can work on the voice." She explained that she read social media comments to find out what Ghanaians wanted from her so she could produce songs they could enjoy and dance to. Emilia Brobe went viral on social media after releasing her debut single Famiko. Many people on social media called it trash, while others claimed it could be added to the 6 killer diseases. The song sparked a challenge which made fun of the actress and her song. Some social media reactions that followed suggested people wanted her to stick to acting. But Emilia Brobe says she is not stopping music anytime soon. The celebrated actress stated that she has more music in the pipeline. According to her, people who believe she produced noise because of her voice only appreciate other genres of music. Emilia's genre of music is high life and she cannot sing that genre or do a live band with a Celine Dion voice, she told Ruben. "So I sang Emilia Brobe's voice, that's what I did. I did me, I sang my voice. If Ghanaians are not happy and they think it's noise, I'll go and do the homework and bring it," the Adolfo Asa actress said. She thanked the section of social media that praised her works and also those criticized her. Okay guys, let's get interactive in the comment section. What do you think about Emilia Brobe's song? Do you think it was noise? Do you think it is also nice, or whatever that you think? Just drop your comments in the comment section. Okay guys, this has been daily entertainment bars right here on Odate GHTV. Please, if you are new, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. I'll see you guys in the next video.